just show you one other thing before you carry on. It's actually got incremental jog. You see that where it says increment on? You just press that button there. Yeah, that switches it on. And up the top there is your jog increment. Now, it's set at 0.1 at the moment, but you could set it to whatever you want. Now, if you use your hand wheel now, and every time if you press your Z axis, now every time you press that, do it in a positive way, press it once and hold it, it'll move 0.1. See? No more. So that's quite good if you're bringing that down, if you want to, you've got a bit of paper on it. If you don't like it, you don't like it, but personally I think it's a good way of doing it.
Quite weird, it's 40 volt that button anyway.
I know.
And then a bit of paper you're meant to do that.
I know what you mean. Well, the problem as well is that is really spongy to me. I love the click, and you know exactly what you're doing. One click is 0.1, but you won't know on there. I've stabilised the display now, so that's a bit better because it's not flickering all the way. It was on actual, which means it's just constantly looking where it is, as opposed to nominal, which means it just rounds it off.